New guy Chris at the fucking vending machine. Go on, Jack. Here you go. Oh, cheers, Jack. Don't keep them off camera, mate. You know, don't want dodgy deals like happening. Do you know what I mean? No. Exactly. Now, guys. Fucking hell, new guy Chris at the vending, eh? Fucking it must be. He's not even paid, eh? Yeah. Buying this guy. You all right, mate? Yeah. Got to take this down. Oh. That's where they're gonna have us, Joe. Took pictures of that as well. Can't believe. I don't know how shady they're getting. Yeah, they're going to have us here as well, Joe. This is what they took pictures of. Oh, they've gone mad in here. Oh my God. Oh, let's get for the cobwebs. Beautiful. It's like a scene out of an horror film, isn't it, when you walk down here? Look at it. Probably get murdered down here. Tops of the lockers, anything dodgy? Oh, chewing gum. Fucking hell, boys. Locker inspection. Got some eggs on there. We'll have them. Good.